I hope you're all having a wonderful day and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally share this video with you. It's totally different from anything I've ever done before on my channel. It's a holiday room makeover, but it's also a sponsored video with Lull. They make mattresses. They reached out to me and at first I was like, I don't know, because it's so different from like makeup or Disney, but I feel like it's totally relatable, especially for that point in your lives that we all are probably in right now where we're just like thinking about like, where do I buy mattress? Like, how do I do this whole adulting thing? Like, that's definitely where I'm at right now. My old mattress I've had for 15 years. I got it when I was in elementary school, and even then it was a hand-me-down from a neighbor, so I was definitely in need of a new mattress, so I feel like this would be perfect, and I thought the whole idea of a holiday room makeover would go along perfectly with it. So I hope you guys are excited for this video, and let's get started. Starting off with the mattress, so Lull reached out to me and I did some investigation before I agreed to collaborate with them, but some things definitely stood out on their website. I love the fact that they had free shipping, free returns, and a 100-day risk-free trial, so if for whatever reason I didn't like the mattress, I could always send it back, which is really cool. Honestly, the best thing in this whole process, and I've had it for like a week or so now, so I've definitely tested it out. First of all, it's amazing, but I love the fact that when they shipped it, it came in a box that I could easily manage. One thing that was really overwhelming to me about the idea of getting a whole new mattress is because they're so big, like I definitely would not have been able to like lift that and bring it into my room by myself, especially because I live on the second floor, but I was able to, because it came in like a skinny box, I was able to bring it up the stairs by myself and get it in my room no problem. So that was really nice, and honestly it is so comfy compared to my old bed. I was having back problems. This is gonna sound so silly. I fell down the stairs about 3 weeks ago and I've been having some back pains since then that haven't really gone away, but ever since I switched out my mattress and got this new one, it's like completely gone away. So I'm already a huge fan. I really do like it. It also had some really good reviews online, so I'm going to show you guys my unboxing of my mattress and show you guys what that whole setup process looked like. Also, before I forget, I wanted to let you guys know that they are giving me a link to use for you guys if you want to take $100 off your order if you do order a Lull mattress. They're gonna have a unique code. It's gonna be either Mackenzie, Kenzie McBrown, something like that. I will link it down below for you guys in case you are interested in the Lull mattress and want to take $100 off your order. Okay, so today is the day I'm finally taking my old mattress and replacing it with the Lull mattress. There's actually like a lot of padding in here just to make it look a little bit nicer. Like, this is all like extra padding to make it so you can't tell it's like a 15-year-old mattress. Like, it's just all, this is an insert and this is an insert. This is my current mattress. It's like super springy, but it's so old. And I'm sad to see it go, but I'm really excited for a new mattress, and honestly, I can't really imagine how it would be better than this one. So now we're gonna switch this out with the new mattress. I don't know how we're gonna get this out.
Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna get it out either.
I might need some help.
No. You wanted to do this.
Okay, so we just got rid of the old mattress. We hoisted it off the deck like we brought it in. So when I first moved in, we had to like hoist it up the deck. And honestly, thinking about getting a new mattress and having to do that procedure all over again, I was a little concerned, but I was so glad that Lull sent the mattress in a box like this because I feel like it was way easier. I got this up the stairs by myself, so a lot easier than it was trying to get the old mattress in. So that's kind of a perk that I thought was nice, that it comes in a box like this, so it's pretty easy to transport. But I'm excited to finally unbox this and let it expand and see my new mattress. So you guys, if I can do this, you can do it too. Because I am really not skilled when it comes to setting things up. Okay. Whoa, hello. That's cool. Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's like, it's happening. It's like inflated.
That looks comfy.
Yeah, it looks so comfy compared to my old mattress. Oh my gosh. Wow, this thing like fully expanded in like 5 seconds.
Bet you wish you would have put it on the bed the right way.
Can you help me flip this over really quick?
Oh, no. I'm holding the camera.
Oh no.
What?
You need to help me flip this over. Oh my gosh.
I don't.
This is so nice.
Aren't you supposed to wait 24 hours?
Yeah, but I don't want to wait 24 hours.
Now you're gonna ruin it.
Okay, so I know it says it takes about 24 to 48 hours for it to fully expand. Mine expanded literally within like 2 minutes. Make sure that when you're putting it down before it expands that you have the bottom side upright, because I did not do that. But I also thought it would take like, it would be really slow. Honestly, it just like expanded so quickly, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna let this sit for 24 hours, go run some errands, come back, and then I will show you guys how... Why are you laughing?
You're gonna run errands for 24 hours? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do for 24 hours?
Okay, well, we're gonna go, I don't know, we're gonna go, well, okay, the 24 hours, I'm going to run some errands, not the whole time, but I'm gonna run some errands. We're probably gonna have dinner. I'm gonna finish setting up my room for the holidays. So there's other things I'm doing in the 24 hours. I'm not just like running errands like all throughout the night. You get what I'm saying. Anyways, I'll let this sit, even though I think it looks like it's ready. I'm going to trust that I need to let it continue expanding, even though I think it's ready to go. But overall, I'm like really excited because I think this is gonna be so much better than my last mattress. But it looks so pretty. I love it.
It's so comfortable. Get out! Hey! Hey!
While my mattress is still expanding, even though it looks like it's pretty much done, I'm going to do some holiday room decor. Starting off with my dresser, I'm taking away some of my mermaid pieces that are definitely more for the summertime and replacing them with some fun festive things. So I have this little cute little female reindeer. I found this at Home Goods and I thought it was so cute. I think I got it for like $12, so it was pretty cheap, but I just thought it was really cute. Especially in my room, I have definitely like a white, gold, and pink theming going on, so I feel like it fit in perfectly. Also, this candle is my absolute favorite. So I believe the packaging it's in is limited edition. The candle itself is not. I get it every time it's here and it literally smells like Christmas. It smells like pine trees and it's so amazing. So whenever I come home in the evenings, I always light this candle and just makes my whole room smell like Christmas. For my nightstand, I didn't want to do anything too crazy, so I've added this cute little tree and also this little votive candle. You'll notice a lot of my decorations are very simplistic and nothing too crazy, but just a little touch of gold, green, and pink and white throughout my room. Moving on to this wooden tree, I actually made this with my dad. He loves making different things with wood, like wood projects, and so I had this idea. I've seen a couple different things on Pinterest and Etsy, so he helped me create this tree, and I thought it was so cute and such a nice, simplistic touch to add in some holiday spirit to my room. Last, I thought it'd be so fun to add these cute little Christmas trees. If you couldn't tell, I love Christmas trees. I think they're so fun, especially for decorating a room. I found both of these at a small shop in Burien, which is in Seattle. It was so cute. I'll link their Instagram down below. I believe their name is Shop Seahurst, but I thought the white and gold ones were so pretty. They're actually different textures. The white is more of like a ceramic feel, and the gold one is definitely a little bit more smooth, but I just love the texture and I just thought it was a really fun pop of color. Again, I love really simplistic things, so nothing too crazy or colorful, just really like hints and details of Christmas. Okay, so it's officially day 2 and I am so glad that I did everything I did yesterday, because today it is just dumping rain outside. We would not have been able to get the old mattress off the deck, so I'm really glad we did that yesterday. I've let this expand for about 24 hours, a little over 24 hours. To be honest, it looks pretty similar to what it did before, but I wanted to make sure I played it safe and followed the instructions. As you guys saw yesterday, I had a lot of fun while this was expanding, decorating my room with fun holiday decor, so all that's left is the bed. These sheets, I'll be totally honest, I borrowed them from my mom, but it looks like she got them from Target. I'm sure Target has so many fun, cute things out right now for the holidays, so I'm decorating by adding these sheets. I also have some really cute decorated pillows that are really fun and festive, so I can't wait to show you guys the finished look of my holiday room decor. Not gonna lie, I love being cozy, so what I'm going to do is put this blanket down before my duvet cover just to add an extra layer of warmth. Now it's time for the duvet. So this duvet I actually got from the Nordstrom's anniversary sale 2 years ago, and I absolutely love it. I don't like things with a lot of like texture or patterns or anything too over the top. I like really simplistic details, so I love how this is really Has a lot of like texture, but it's nothing too crazy. So since I don't have a headboard, I actually have a really long body pillow that I also got from Target. I'm just gonna place that right behind where all my pillows are going to go. These gray pillows I think I got from Crate & Barrel, but I've had them for a while. I love having kind of darker pillows and white sheets because I feel like they go with everything. So if I want to like change things up for springtime with some more pink pillows, these still kind of go with the theme. I've also added some decorative pillows. I kind of played around with where I wanted them. It took me a while to figure out what I thought looked good. Obviously, if you can't tell, I love pillows and blankets. And the best part is this pillow my mom got for me from this company called Mud Pie. Again, like I said before, I like really simplistic things, not like a ton of crazy detail. So I thought this was so perfect and very simplistic and the perfect finishing touch for my holiday room makeover. And that is my finished holiday room makeover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for me because it's something different that I haven't really done on my channel before. And honestly, I was really impressed with how the Lull mattress turned out and I've been loving it. I feel like my mattress is so comfy and like all I want to do now is just sleep in it, which is a problem because that's all I wanted to do before and now that's like really all I ever do now. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!